What is Midjourney? Midjourney is an independent research lab that produces a generative AI model of the same name. Unlike other models owned by tech giants, Google or OpenAI, Midjourney is focused purely on aesthetic excellence. Midjourney is an independent research lab that produces a generative AI model of the same name. Unlike other models owned by tech giants, Google or OpenAI, Midjourney is focused purely on aesthetic excellence. It doesn't just make a picture, it applies a sophisticated artistic opinion to every generation. What's new in 2026 V7 and G7? Draft mode. You can now prototype 10x faster and at half the cost. It's perfect for sketching ideas before committing to a high-res render. Model personalization. V7 learns your vibe. After ranking a series of images, the AI tailors its future outputs to match your specific taste in color, texture, and composition. The web editor. While Midjourney started on Discord, the 2026 web interface is now the primary home for creators, featuring a canvas where you can pan, zoom, and repaint specific sections of an image with a brush. How does it work? Midjourney uses a proprietary latent diffusion model. It begins with a seed of digital noise and iteratively refines it into a complex image. What sets it apart is its stylization engine. It is trained on a massive library of human art, lighting techniques, and photography styles. When you type a prompt, Midjourney doesn't just look for the objects, it looks for the lighting, the lens type, and the emotional mood. How to start creating. Step 1. Choose your platform. The website, midjourney.com. Best for beginners. You can type prompts directly into a bar, use sliders to adjust settings, and see your gallery in a clean, Pinterest-like grid. Discord. Still the heart of the community. Use the Imagine command in a newbie channel or invite the bot to your private server. Pro tips for better art. Don't over-explain, Midjourney is smart. Instead of saying a very detailed photo of a blue car, try cobalt blue vintage Porsche, cinematic street lighting, 35 flamme film. Use Vary region. If you love an image but hate the shoes the character is wearing, use the web editor to circle the shoes and type red boots. The AI will swap them out while keeping the rest of the image identical. Personalization is key. Make sure to spend 5 minutes on the style ranking page. It makes a massive difference in how much you'll actually like what the AI generates. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified on daily updates.